So here we go, we are making a drift car, so let's get started. We are going to start this with the Mustang SVT Cobra R. That is the car you will be needing. So let's go and do it up. You want to put the racing soft on. As you can see, I've got over £1 million. New suspension. Always put on the height adjustable. It gives the car a better ride. You want the new racing brake kit. Then over to our new drive train. Triple plate clutch kit. Yes. You want both of these on. Power. Oh. You want full power, so don't worry about buying all the stages, just buy the ones, the third one, because it won't make any difference. Intake we need. Then we want racing exhaust, exhaust manifold, and the catalytic converter. Third turbo. You can't buy supercharger. And nitro kit's just an added option, but it costs a lot of money, but it's definitely worth buying. Now to the body. You have to make it as light as you possibly can if you want to twist around the corners. Join me in part 2 of my video to customise my car, wheels, paint job, and also racing the car and drifting the car. Thank you.